In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Facebook ads with Debit Card 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have your debit card added in Facebook Ads Manager so your campaigns can bill smoothly. Start by opening your browser and searching for Facebook Ads Manager. Click the official result and then click Go to Ads Manager. Make sure you're on Facebook's official site before you sign in. When prompted, enter your login details and click Login. If you use two-factor authentication, complete that step. And if you manage multiple assets, choose the business or ad account you want to pay for. You'll land on the campaign's dashboard. If you see multiple ad accounts in the drop-down, confirm you're in the right one. You don't need an active campaign to add a payment method, so we can go straight to billing. Locate billing and payments in the navigation and open it. Next, go to Payment Settings. This is where you manage how Facebook charges you, including adding, removing, or prioritizing payment methods. Click Add Payment Method. In the list of options, select Debit Card. If you don't see that option, it can be due to your country, currency, or account eligibility. Check with your bank that your card supports online ads and international transactions if needed. Click Next to continue. You'll be asked for your card details. Enter the card number, expiration date, security code, and cardholder name exactly as they appear on the card. Add the billing address and postal code that match your bank's records. Mismatched addresses can cause declines, so double check everything. Be aware that Facebook may place a small temporary authorization to verify the card, and some banks will require a one-time verification code via 3D Secure. Keep your phone handy in case a bank prompt appears. When everything looks correct, click Save. If you're asked to make this your primary payment method, confirm it, so future charges use your debit card first. From now on, Facebook will bill you when you reach your billing threshold or on your monthly billing date, whichever comes first. You can view and download invoices in the billing section, which is useful for bookkeeping and tax records. A few tips before we wrap up. Ensure your ad account's currency and time zone are set correctly before running campaigns. Keep sufficient funds available to avoid payment failures. And if a charge is declined, contact your bank to allow online advertising transactions and then retry the payment in Ads Manager. That's it. You've added a debit card to Facebook Ads Manager and you're ready to pay for your ads without interruptions.